How to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat. And once you do that, click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right. Once you're here, click on Bitmoji. You will be redirected to this page right here, from which you want to click on the Unlink My Bitmoji text at the bottom. You will get this confirmation box that asks you, do you want to remove Bitmoji? And it tells you if you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in my closet. If you are okay with that, click on remove to confirm. And by doing that, you have just deleted your avatar and you can create a new one whenever you want to. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete Bitmoji from Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.